I'm Olivia, owner of Litle Gifts in the seaside town of Brightlingsea on the Essex coast. We offer unique gifts, individual cards and bespoke framing. Let's go in and have a look. We offer a range of gifts which are carefully selected from a number of suppliers and where we can from companies that produce their products in the UK. Alongside gifts, we carry a wide range of quality greetings cards produced by small publishers. We also have a selection of handcrafted pieces from local designer makers, which allows us to have unique items that can also be personalised. We love hearing from our customers and appreciate the time they take to leave us a review. We are always looking for new products and have just added this range of traditional wooden toys. Thank you for watching our video. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, or pop in and say hello.